एक्चुअली ये इंडिया बीच फैशन वीक में आई वुड रियली लाइक टू
Hello, Mike check 1 2 3 4. Hello, hello.
आज इवेंट के बारे में आई जस्ट वांट टू से लाइक एज यू ऑल नो दिस इज़ द ये पहला एडिशन है इंडिया बीच फैशन वीक का एंड आई एम रियली वेरी एक्साइटेड। मैं यहाँ अपने जो मेरे डिज़ाइनर फ्रेंड्स हैं रिद्धि सिद्धि मैम जनकर्स, मैं उनकी आज म्यूज़ बन के आई हूँ एंड आई एम एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी फॉर दैट। आई जस्ट वांट टू विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट एंड वेरी वेरी गुड लक। ऑल्सो India Beach Fashion Week for giving all the models and all the muses like me, such a great experience. It's a wonderful amalgamation of luxury and music, fashion, and sun-kissed beaches as well. Thank
So,
you.
maybe go on and talk about the beaches. So, in 2015, this is the first program of our events organizing this beach fashion show.
Yeah, it is the first edition of India Beach Fashion Week, and everybody is very excited for it. First of all, because of the place where it's going to happen, which is in Goa, and it's definitely Goa is known for its beauty. And at the same point of time, जो India Beach Fashion Week है, वो भी destination weddings पे और जो वो है उस पर बहुत ज़्यादा focus कर रहा है. So it's like really, it's very happening. इसमें का you're asking the wrong person actually. Okay. इसमें आई थिंक लगभग 30 डिज़ाइनर्स पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं एंड मॉडल्स उनकी रिस्पेक्टिव मॉडल्स होंगी। आई एम शूटिंग फॉर माई 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स राइट नाउ। मैंने 3 फिल्में साइन की है टी सीरीज़ के साथ। जो मेरी पहली फिल्म है वो दिव्या खोसला कुमार डायरेक्ट कर रही हैं। मूवी का नाम है सनम रे। वो आपको बिल्कुल उसमें एक आशिकी 2 और बर्फ़ी का मिक्स नज़र आएगा। एंड बिकॉज़ ये जो हमारी फिल्म के राइटर हैं वो हैं संजीव दत्ता, और साथ ही साथ इट्स अ डीप पैशनेट लव स्टोरी। सॉन्ग्स बहुत अच्छे होने वाले हैं। सो दिस इज़ द वन प्रोजेक्ट, और इसके साथ साथ मैं एक और टिप्स का प्रोजेक्ट कर रही हूँ जिसमें द प्रोड्यूसर इज़ कुमार तोरानी, एंड ऑल्सो आई एम डूइंग ए साउथ प्रोजेक्ट ऑपोजिट साउथ सुपरस्टार दर्शन, and the name of the film is Eravata, and the tips film which I am doing, the name of the film is Ambarisha. Thank you.
Looking gorgeous after launch, and we can see you back in glamour world. So what motivated you? कैसे आपका
Well, motivation तो यही है that you can go out and you can look glamorous even though you're a mother of 2 kids, and you can look good for yourself. And also I'm out today to support my very dear friend Dolly. So she has this lovely brand called Noble Faith that I endorse, and I completely love her line and I love the clothing. So yeah, so that's what brings me out here today. ये बहुत ही मतलब कैजुअल है, लेकिन आप थोड़ा सा एक्सेसरीज के साथ करोगे तो बहुत ही ड्रेसी बन जाता है. सो इट्स एवरीथिंग. यू कैन वेयर इट फॉर अ लंच, और अगर आप लंच के लिए मतलब इफ़ द लंच इज़ गोइंग ऑन टिल रियली लेट, तो ऐसे कुछ आप पहन सकते हो एंड इट बिकम समथिंग दैट यू कैन स्टिल बी आउट फॉर इन डिनर, you know. So I love her stuff because, like she says, fashion, it's what you wear today that's going to be seen tomorrow. She's very fashion forward, she's very stylish, so it all comes into her collection.
when it comes to like when it's Amrita, it's very stylish and you're considered as a like a style diva. So are you gonna put some of your tips as well for to bring it more?
Well, Dolly's very sweet. She keeps asking me ki, tell me what to do, give me some ideas, what would you like to wear. So I'm sure, yeah, to put my abilities of fashion forward, I would love to help her.
How excited are you for this Goa? Plus it's Goa and plus Fashion Week, so
Well, again, I'm just doing it for Dolly. She's a very good friend of mine and I'm very excited. I love Goa and I love her. So yeah, so it's 2 things into 1.
after long you're gonna be on Gram.
Yeah.
So are you gonna invite any of your Bollywood friends, Kareena or some special?
I don't know. It's like, मैं पहुंचूं तो ठीक है. We'll have to see if I reach. No, I am going to be there. But yeah, we'll just have fun. I don't know who's going to come, but I'm sure I'll be there and I'm going to rock with you all. And I'm going to walk, so you'll better be good and take some good photos and do some really good stuff.
Okay, so Amrita, now you're back into action, back into glamour. When can we see you to Bollywood now?
Never. No, never say never, but I'm just enjoying motherhood. I'm enjoying being my husband's wife. I'm enjoying being myself. I'm enjoying my time. तो जब भी मौका मिले इन द फ्यूचर आई विल सी। कोई नहीं, कुछ नहीं है प्रोजेक्ट, कुछ नहीं।
Priya, first of all, you're looking like a model, so I would like to know that what's the secret behind your change in your look?
Well, actually, it is the collection that I'm representing today. It's called Hot Hippie. It's about this woman who loves glamour, but she also likes to live a simple life. She likes effortless fashion. She likes luxury. She likes to travel the world. She's simple at heart, but at the same time, she takes pleasure in joys of living. So I think dressing up and looking beautiful is one of the joys of living that every woman should enjoy. So that is the reason I'm all dressed up today.
Lots of expectations from you as you have been the legend kind of a designer. We can see you are presenting your collection in so many years. So what different thing we're gonna see this year?
I think this year you're going to see a collection which is more fitted. I'm known for my kaftans. There's a lot of new interesting cuts and variations in kaftans where it's more body hugging, it's more fitted. Women are much more informed today. So you will tend to see a lot of interesting silhouettes like short dresses, mini shorts, gowns, maxis, jumpsuits, a lot of fun, funky stuff which can be worn from anybody from the age group of 16 to 60. A lot of my clothes are free-flowing, free-size clothing that are easy to wear and very easy to carry.
And how excited are you for Goa and a fashion week? Because fashion weeks happen in Mumbai and Delhi as well, but Goa is
Actually, because I'm primarily a resort designer, so I am more excited to showcase in Goa because for me, in India, Goa is the ultimate resort destination. So I'm always very excited and I love Goa. I have a home there and I believe in that whole culture of Goa, of chilling, relaxing and, even though you're chilling and relaxing, you're still looking beautiful and you're still looking fashionable and trendy. And I think holidays and fun is about enjoying yourself and as I said, taking pleasures and joys. And one of the joys is to dress up. So yeah, I'm looking forward. You're welcome. Thank you.
Anusha. Thank you. No, you won't be seeing me walk the ramp, but you'll definitely see me on stage hosting and interviewing people. So I'm really excited. Been associated with fashion for a very long time on MTV Style Check, so I guess it's just part of me now. And I love all the designers. I think Indian designers are just sensational, and I think this is just another fantastic platform for them. And India Beach Fashion Week 2015 is going to be quite a show. Falguni and Shane Peacock, of course. When you think of stunning runaway bride or anything just glamorous and princess-like, it's always Falguni, Shane Peacock. I do walk the ramp sometimes, but they asked me to host this one, so I'm very happy to be doing that. I think it's like putting a kid in a candy store and asking which candy they like the best. I like them all. So it's the same thing. I like doing everything I do.
How excited are you? Because it's Goa and fashion week and lots of
Yeah, I mean, it's really exciting because anything that has to do with fashion, one, obviously excites me. Goa is a beautiful place, so why would you hate that? And I think, when you have a job that takes you to all these wonderful places and it doesn't feel like a job, that's amazing.
Okay, we'll talk about your looking at the piece is looking very pretty.
Thank you.
Something about it. What is it written?
Everybody keeps asking me this, so I actually got it as a gift and it says my name in Arabic. So, Anusha, yeah. Well, actually it's this way, yeah. Thank you. Thanks so much. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. नमस्ते, मेरा नाम मधु स्नेहा है। मैं एक मॉडल हूँ और मैं बीच फैशन वीक के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। आज हम उसकी अनवीलिंग कर रहे हैं और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। बाय द पूल साइड बहुत ही खूबसूरत माहौल है और मैंने फाल्गुनी और शेन के गारमेंट्स पहने हैं, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, और बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत खूबसूरत फील हो रहा है, और वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू गोवा।
There are many fashion weeks happening in Mumbai, Delhi, and Ahmedabad. But how different Goa is going? How excited are you for Goa?
Beach means it's very easygoing, it's very relaxed. So I'm very looking forward to Beach Fashion Week, as it's different because other fashion weeks are a lot about design and everything. This is about comfort. So as a model, I'm also looking forward to these kind of garments and these kind of designs. Thank you so much.
रोल सबसे पहले आपका नाम
मेरा नाम आपको बताऊं कि कैमरा में ओके। हाय, मेरा नाम कोयल राणा है और मैं फेमिना मिस इंडिया वर्ल्ड 2014 हूँ।
कोयल, अगर बात करें 2015 गोवा रैंप तो किसके बारे में आपका एक्सपीरियंस है?
और मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ और मैं फाल्गुनी एंड शेन पीकॉक के लिए मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ फॉर दिस फैशन वीक, और मैं फाल्गुनी और शेन पीकॉक के लिए वॉक कर रही हूँ। अब ऑलवेज लव देयर क्रिएशन। इवन जब मैं मिस वर्ल्ड में गई थी, मैंने उन्हीं का फिनाले गाउन पहना था और टॉप मॉडल गाउन, और वहाँ पे उनको रिकग्निशन भी मिला। एंड सो एम रियली एक्साइटेड दैट आई विल बी गेटिंग टू वेयर उनका ड्रेस, उनका बनाया हुआ क्रिएशन। एंड एज यू कैन सी आई एम ऑलरेडी वेयरिंग वन एंड आई फील लाइक अ प्रिंसेस। बहुत ही एंजेलिक फीलिंग आ रही है।
सो 5, 6, 7 फरवरी को जो गोवा में इवेंट होने वाला है, क्या आप उसी फाल्गुनी पीकॉक में दिखने वाली है वहाँ पे भी, या अलग कोई डिज़ाइन का?
डेफिनेटली आप मुझे फाल्गुनी एंड शेन पीकॉक का शो ओपन करते हुए देखेंगे। तो
इस इवेंट को लेकर आपका क्या कहना है? इस महत्वपूर्ण इवेंट में आपके साथ कोई और आपकी फ्रेंड बॉलीवुड से रिलेटेड कोई?
और अभी तो मेरे को पता नहीं कौन कौन नहीं क्या बता
फ्रेंड्स के
क्या आई एम सॉरी, व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन? आई डोंट गेट इट। कोयल राणा। ओके।
Looking super stunning in this bridal wear. So how do you find it? Like a bride at beach. What would you like to say about this outfit? It's a very different idea because
Right.
beach wear you generally see the swimwear or short lehenga at the beach. What would you like to say about this collection?
Well, nowadays, you know, the destinations of weddings have changed, and you have brought it to beach as well. Now you see weddings happening at poolsides, at beaches, at different places. So I think if you go to a beach and you want something serene and calm and beautiful, I think this goes really well with that destination. So yeah, that's how it fits.
And how different Goa fashion is going to be for you because there is a difference in like India, Mumbai or Delhi fashion and Goa is very different. So how excited are you for Goa?
Well, I was 2 years old when I went to Goa last. So first of all, I'm really excited that I'll be going to Goa for the fashion week. I've walked in Delhi for the fashion weeks, and I haven't walked in Bombay, so I wouldn't know the experience. So yeah, I'm really excited for Goa.
How comfortable you would be walking in this outfit on a beach?
One at a time and a few
I think I'll be very comfortable. First of all, when I think of beach, I think of how serene, how beautiful the environment is, the sun setting, and you know, everything just, the birds are chirping. And when you feel like a princess wearing something so gracious and beautiful and you walk, you feel like a